Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I promised you guys I was going to show you how I achieved my Ankara belt. And first of all, what you have to do is you have to put on your tights. It's actually tights that I used. Grab your tights, something that you don't really need or you haven't worn in a long time that you want to alterate. So what you have to do first is to mark where you want your Ankara to start from. I want mine to start like on my knee here, right here. So I'm gonna mark it, and you would want to leave like a half an inch because you're gonna sew. So you're gonna sew on the inch or whatever it is. I don't have all the technical terms when it comes to sewing, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna mark it here. This is where I want mine to start from. Lay your leggings on a flat surface. Extend the marks and cut it. To figure out the amount of Ankara you need, first measure around your knee and multiply that by 3. Secondly, measure from your knee to your heel, and that will be your height. After marking where the fabric needs to be cut, extend the marks on the fabric and cut the material according to measurements. Alright guys, now our next step is to fold the edge that is going to go around the knee and hold it with pins. Let's begin stitching from one end to the other, and whilst we are sewing, make sure you keep pulling the fabric so that you can achieve the gathering effect you are looking for. Next step is to attach the Ankara and the leggings together, but also make sure you stretch the leggings while stitching, otherwise it will end up being too snug.
No matter where you go, remember the road that will lead you home. No matter.
Next step is to sew the ends of the Ankara together.
That will lead you home.
I got this heat bond at Michael's for $1.99, I think. It's an adhesive that holds fabric together. Rather than stitching the bottom, I decided to use that to make it smoother and quicker. Honestly, guys, I was just being lazy. Ta-da! All done, guys. Looks so good, doesn't it? Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye, guys, and see you next time.